Hello everyone, welcome to Theme World. So, I'm pretty sure you've never seen me in specs before, but I guess it's first time for everything, am I right? Anyways, in this video I'm going to show you a new feature within our ColorMag theme. You know, the best WordPress theme out there to create magazine sites, news portals, and blogs. So yes, we've released the white label feature, and it's going to be especially useful if you're an agency owner that is constantly creating magazine sites, news portals, or blogs. It's going to be especially useful because you can make ColorMag your very own. Underneath, it's going to be ColorMag that is running the website, but you know, on the top, you can name the theme yourself. You could be the author of your theme, and to your clients, it's going to look like a custom theme. And that is not it. Within our white label feature, we've got some other advanced settings, which will make it so you can hide certain elements of the theme, like certain settings. So once the site is ready, it's ready to go into production. You know, you can give it to your clients. And just so they don't accidentally mess some settings up within the theme, you can hide those settings and you can keep the site safe. You know what, let's not do a lot of talking. I'll just show you what the feature looks like. Let's get started with the video, but before we do, make sure you drop a like, subscribe. If you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, and let's get started. Alright boys and girls, here we are within the computer screen. Now let's get started with white labeling our ColorMag theme. And now, just like I said before, the white label feature for ColorMag is going to be really helpful for agencies that are creating magazine sites or blog sites or news portals and things like that. So naturally the white label feature is going to be in ColorMag's premium version. So if you haven't already, make sure to purchase ColorMag's premium version. It is a standard checkout process, after which you can download the zip file, you can get your license key, you can easily log into their site and you can get your license key. You can download the zip file as well. For me, it's right here. You can simply click on download, you can copy your license key, and you're good to go. Let's go back within our WordPress dashboard in here, go within appearance, themes, add new theme, and upload the zip file that you just downloaded. It doesn't matter if you're using the free version, you can simply override it with this theme and it's going to work for you. Simply upload the file that you just downloaded, click on install now, and once the theme has been installed, click on activate and you'll be good to go. Let me just visit the site once and let me show you. This is what our site is looking like. This is a completely blank website, by the way. So just letting you know, still you can see the changes within the header, footer, within the posts. So yeah, our theme has been installed, everything's looking great. Now let's go within ColorMag Pro. If you click on this, it's going to ask you to paste in your license key, which you can do so. And once pasted, you can simply click on activate license. And by the way, your account credentials will be mailed to the email that you've used while purchasing. So just letting you know. So there it is, my license key has been activated. Now let's go back within ColorMag Pro once again. Now from in here, we'll have the settings tab. If I click on it, what's gonna happen is you'll just see the white little feature right there. Now you can simply enable it. And you can do a few different things in here. Now, first of all, you can change the name of the theme, etc., like the URL, the details, with whatever your agency's name is and whatever you want to call your theme. You can do all that. And if you go here within the advanced settings, what you can also do is you can hide certain tabs. Like you can hide the starter templates tab, you can hide the products tab. Now this is going to be especially useful if you've completely created the site, it is production ready, and you just want to give it out to your users. You can hide all these different tabs so that your users don't accidentally access any of them and mess up the website or something like that. So this one's going to be very useful as well. I'll show you a few of these in just a bit. Well, now let's go ahead and let's make ColorMag our own. So I'm going to give a random agency name here, Zamkai Agency, because why not? And that's not how you type Zamkai. There it is. Agency URL. I'm just going to use themegirl.com because I can. Right? Theme details. Kaizen theme. Theme description. Coolest magazine theme. Definitely not ColorMag. And please don't mind my voice. I have a terrible cold. I don't know how I caught this cold, but yeah, it's there. And yeah, the theme is definitely not ColorMag. Now what you can do is you can give your custom theme a screenshot, right? A theme icon and a dashboard icon. So it's this icon right here, this icon, and finally whatever you see within appearance. If I open this on another tab, then yeah, this screenshot right here, you can change these as well, and all the details that you change will be changed right here. So the name of the theme, by, and this is the description. So just letting you know. Anyways, let's go ahead and let's get our images now. Okay, so here I've uploaded two different images within my WordPress media. First one's going to be this, and I just had this random meme lying around, so I was like, why not use it? Anyways, let's go back, and in here what we can do is we can choose an image for our theme screenshot from our media library, and we're going to use this as our theme screenshot. Okay, we're going to select that. For our theme icon, we're going to choose the WordPress logo, select that, and our dashboard icon is going to be the same as well. Select it, and if I click on save settings here, and the page is going to be refreshed by itself, Now, you can see here, the name has changed to Kaizen theme. And we have the WordPress logo here. If I hover away from it, you can see it kind of like, fades out, and then it kind of fades in again when it's active. Pretty cool. And yeah, this icon has been changed as well. I'm pretty sure this is the dashboard icon. Anyways, let me show you what appearance tab looks like. There it is. This is our Kaizen theme by Zamkai Agency. Coolest magazine theme. Definitely not ColorMag. So yeah, there it is. This is what it looks like. There it is. We have successfully white labeled our theme. So if your user is using this theme, this gives them the impression that you've created a custom theme or something like that. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Now, let's dive in a little bit deeper. So if I go in here once again within settings, within advanced, you can see you can hide a lot of different tabs in here. Like suppose if you're an agency owner, you've already created the website, and now there's not a lot of need for starter templates, then you can simply hide it. You don't want people using starter templates and trying to import different websites, because that is going to break the existing website. So yeah, we can hide this tab altogether. We can hide the products tab. The products tab showcases different products that the ColorMag theme or the ColorMag themes creators have created. And yeah, these are all the different products. Maybe you don't want to show this, you want to hide this for your user's website or your client's website, then you can hide the product tab, the starter templates tab. You've got the help tab, which is for documentations, etc. You can hide the license tab, starter templates section. All right, these are a bit different. Let me just show you by hiding these tabs first, and then we'll dive into these as we go. Let me save the settings, and if I refresh, there it is. Dashboard and settings are the only thing that you can see here. Go within advanced, all these are hidden. Now the sections that I was talking about are these sections right here. You've got a starter template section, visit documentation, leave us a review, feature request, support, useful plugins, etc. Right, you can hide all these as well. Again, go back within advanced, within white label, and you can hide all these as well, and you'll be good to go. Now hide white label, this is something I want to get into in just a bit. Let's save these settings first. All right, let it refresh. Go back within dashboard, and you can see here that everything has changed. Our theme name is, it says Kaizen theme every single where, like ColorMag is nowhere mentioned. This is pretty good. And now let me show you the last white label feature, and that is to hide the white label tab itself. So if I click on enable, you'll see this pop up right here. Please note that the white label extension will be hidden if this option is enabled. In order to bring it back, you have to hit the shift key and click on the header section and reload after click. Basically, this is the header section within the menu. You'll just have to click it once after you've hidden the white label tab. So I can click on save settings here and let it refresh. Will not have anything. So our theme is completely white labeled, right? You don't have anything that mentions ColorMag anywhere, and the theme is totally yours. So this is going to be really amazing for all the agency owners. Now, suppose you're working on the site and you want to make changes to the setting. Maybe you want to import a different starter template. What do? How do you get the white label tab back? So you can simply click on this header right here while holding down your shift key. You can click on it. It's going to reload the page. Let's do it once again. And there it is. We see the settings tab. Simply click on it, and here you have it. You've got your white label settings again, and you can fiddle around with anything that you want to. And as soon as you shift click on the header and you reload, it's going to turn off hide white label. So if you want to turn it on later, you can do so as well. And I suppose that's about it for the white label feature within the ColorMag theme. What do you think about this feature? Let me know down in the comments below. And I suppose that's about it. So I hope you guys found that video helpful. If you did, drop a like, subscribe. If you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, super important. And yeah, let me know if I should wear my specs more often, or if you just, like me, the normal Sid. Yeah, let me know down in the comments below. And I suppose that's about it for this video. And if you're wondering, something's different with my voice, yeah, it's because I'm sick. But the videos must go on, chat. That's how dedicated I am. Bye-bye.